Addressing the students of Decca University at Dhaka, the capital of the then province of East Bengal, in March 1948, the Qaid said,
"Let me make it very clear to you, and leave no doubt, that the state language of Pakistan is going to be Urdu and no other language. And anyone who tries to mislead you is really the enemy of Pakistan. Without a state language, no nation can remain tied up solidly together and work together. Look at the history. Every government has got to have some state language. Therefore, so far as the state language is concerned, Pakistan's state language shall be Urdu. Let me restate my views on the question of the state language, Pakistan. For official use in this province, the people of province can choose any language they wish. This question will be decided solely in accordance with the wishes of the people of this province alone, as freely expressed through their accredited representatives at the appropriate time and after full and dispassionate consideration. There can, however, be only one lingua franca, that is the language for the intercommunication between the various provinces of the state, and the state language. That language should be Urdu and cannot be any other. State language, therefore, must obviously be Urdu, a language that has been nurtured by hundreds of millions of Muslims of this subcontinent. Language understood throughout the length and breadth of Pakistan, and above all, a language which more than any other provincial language embodies the best that is in Islamic culture and Muslim tradition, and is nearest to the language used in other Islamic countries.